the religion of Abraham, which is supposed to be open for anyone, the Bani Israel, they changed the religion of Abraham, and they made it a tribal religion, tribalism, or you can call it. Today it is in form of Zionism. Zionists are the one who want to have their own state and to rule the world. Not just they want to have their own state, they want to rule the world through that state. And they are waiting for the Masih Dajjal, which is the false Christ, who is the greatest evil person, and they're waiting for him. And they will think that he is the true Messiah or true Masih. But in fact, he was the false Messiah, and they followed him. And it is very clear time now that the Masih Dajjal is coming out anytime. And then the true Masih will come, the true Isa al-Masih will come, and he will kill him on the place of Lud, Babel Lud, the gate of Lud. And Babel Lud is the airport today in Israel. And definitely he was running there, and he's running because there is an airport there today. So that's a very big story about it. But what is our topic now is what Allah said, O Bani Israel, remember my blessing upon you, which I bless upon you, and fulfill my promise, and I will fulfill my promise to you, and to me only you should afraid. So the promise is to follow the religion of Abraham, which they are not following. They changed the religion of Abraham into a tribalism. The Christian, they changed the religion of Abraham into idol worshipping. Rather than to worship only one God, the God of Abraham, now they are worshipping Jesus Christ, who is just human being like us, a prophet of God. So both of them, the Jews and Christian, they are deviated from religion of Abraham. We are following the religion of Abraham. We Muslims follow the religion of Abraham, that there is only one God that we should worship. They were asked in the Jews were claiming that Abraham was a Jew, and the Christians were claiming that Abraham was a Christian. Then Allah answered them in the Quran, مَا كَانَ إِبْرَاهِيمَ يَهُودِيًا وَلَا نَصْرَانِيًّا وَلَكِنْ كَانَ حَنِيفًا مُسْلِمًا. Nor the Ibrahim was a Jew, nor was he a Christian. He was a Hanif, monotheist, worshipping only one God, and he was Muslim. Meaning of Muslim, a person who submit to the commands of only one God. So he was Muslim. So anyone in the world, he is willing to follow the commandments of only one God, he can be a Muslim. And anyone who wants to worship idols, he is an idol worshipper. And anyone who wants to live and die for his nation and live and die for his tribe, he is a tribalist, which has nothing to do with the religion of Abraham. The religion of Abraham is all human beings, for all the human beings. And that's the religion of Abraham, which is for the whole human being.